Craving exotic flavors but don't want to leave your kitchen? I've got you covered with this mind-blowing Moroccan apricot chicken recipe. First, grab some chicken thighs and season them with a blend of cumin, coriander, and cinnamon. Now here's the secret. Sauté some onions and garlic, then toss in dried apricots and a splash of chicken broth. Let that simmer while you quickly pan-sear the chicken. Combine everything in a pot, add a handful of olives, and let it all meld together for about 20 minutes. The result? A sweet and savory dish that will transport your taste buds straight to Marrakesh. Serve it over couscous and prepare for a flavor explosion. Trust me, this recipe is so easy. You'll feel like a culinary genius.